Hi there. Hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out Pete's Snakebite Kit YouTube channel again. What we talk about on this channel is cobras. Big surprise, right? Well, what we're doing here is, if you saw the intro to the mini-series, you know what we're doing. We're going through and looking at the top 8 Cobra manufacturers. Whether you want to buy a turnkey minus, I like to say plug and play, you want to buy a turnkey minus, a complete kit, a finished car, you're going on Cobra country buying a used one, I want you to get a better idea of the differences between them. I really think that it should be a personal fit, because really all the Cobras are a little bit different. The bodies are a little different. There's some things that are more accurate on one than the other. There are obviously price points, and that's a big deal. So I'm gonna go through these alphabetically. Let's take a look. Okay, Backdraft Racing. This company's been around 20 years now. They were started in 2001. Two guys have won racing championships, Tony and Reg. Never met the guys, but they've got some credentials, obviously, so they know a little bit about going fast. These things I call a plug and play. So it's built as a turnkey minus. The thing is painted, beautiful, interior, everything. You put your engine, your trans in, you get it registered and insured, and you've got a Cobra. There you go. So what's really cool about this is it's a pretty good price point. Some of the turnkey minuses we're gonna look at are more money than this. And so price point wise, it's pretty good. It does have BMW suspension and brakes on it. Nobody's ever said a BMW doesn't handle well. So probably a very good handling car. They've got 2 models. I'm going to show you some pictures of both of the models after this. And one is an RT4. That's their most traditional looking Cobra. They have 18-inch wheels, so they're a little bit taller wheel than the 15s. The RT4B is their more modern version. Looks like something that might have been in Fast and Furious or something like that. Still a cool looking car, but a different look. A little more customization. These cars are made to be roomy. Big guys can fit in these. If you're the guy that's 6'5" and you're 250 pounds, this is probably something you might be looking at, because they've gone to the work of making some more room in the cockpit and so on to give room for those guys. So a little difference than some of the other ones out there. You'll see some pictures of them. These are great looking cars. If this is the one that looks interesting to you, get on their website, call them. Go down there, find one to drive, look at them at a car show, because this might be the fit for you. Like I say, Cobra, the mini-series. It's about finding the one that makes you interested and putting your hard-earned money and busting your knuckles on that car. I hope you like this. Stay tuned for the next one.